May 31st, opening weekend at Vanderpump. Let's take a look at these new rooms. So here we've got a couch and a side table. There are lots of outlets in this room. You'll notice that Lisa is all over this room, including here under your bedside table. She's looking out at you. All the furniture is new. It's beautiful. The linen is new. It's crisp. It's fresh. It's clean. In the dresser over here, your safe is in one of these drawers. They have still included the mini bar and some snacks for purchase. Lisa's included some of her own alcohol for purchase. The Nespresso is complimentary, which is a nice touch. A new chair. The two-way mirror did make the cut, something to keep in mind if you're with family or friends. You've got a little table over here for getting ready. Got a nice sized mirror and a lamp. They did a great job with these rooms. Given the size, there isn't much they can do, but they did a great job on the renovation, in my opinion. I'm really enjoying it. Here in the armoire, we've got a few new options. There are slippers for personal use, a steamer and a blow dryer, and 2 plush robes. I will show you the view in a minute, but let's first look at the bathroom. Unfortunately, they didn't do a lot in the bathrooms. I really was hoping they would. They've changed out some of the hardware. The white tile here in the shower is new. They've taken out the handheld and only left the rainfall. You do have some amenities on the wall for your personal use. So again, not much changed in the bathroom here, which, like I said, to me is disappointing. So here's my view. I'm looking out at the Flamingo. I'm hoping this will be quieter than the strip side views. I am on the 8th floor. So here's just a look at the room. Have you stayed at Vanderpump? What did you think? I've really enjoyed it so far. If you like my content, I'll post my socials up on the screen. Love for you to follow along, and we'll see you in the next one.